If you're going through the process of buying or selling a business, one term that you're going to hear thrown around a lot is due diligence. What is due diligence and how does it work? Typically, in the process of purchasing a business, you will chart out a certain amount of time that each side has to do this due diligence period. This is where they get to investigate the other side's claims and make sure they can follow through on what they're promising in the contract. So for example, if you're a buyer and you're buying a candy cane company, you might want to look into the financials that they've claimed. The other side is telling you, yep, we make all this money from selling our candy canes, and our candy canes are beloved all over the world, and we have this contract with Walmart that we fulfill every year, and we make X number of $1 million. And so when you're buying this business, you're getting all those contracts, and you're getting our great employees and our master candy maker and all of that. He's gonna stay on for many years to come. And you say, great. So you sign a contract, and you write in there a period of due diligence where you wanna go look. You get an accountant to look through the books and make sure that they're not cooking the books, that they're not lying about what's in there. You might want to check in with Walmart and make sure that they're going to continue their contract with you, even though you're buying it. You might want to look at the contracts with Walmart and make sure that Walmart doesn't have the right to cancel if the business is ever sold. There are many things that are kind of unpredictable, and having an attorney and an accountant help you work through the due diligence period is extremely important. We all want to assume the best. We all want to hope for the best. But part of a lawyer's job is to make you prepare for the worst and make sure that what you are buying is actually what you are being told about. What about on the seller side? What kind of due diligence might they do? Well, if you're holding the note, if the buyer is going to pay you out over decades or years, it's important that you make sure that the person that is paying you, who's buying this business, actually has the financial resources. They're going to take over your business. What if they run it into the ground? Do they have adequate means to pay you for the remaining payments that they have? Are they on the verge of bankruptcy already? Do they have a lot of creditors such that if they buy it and file for bankruptcy next month, you won't be out of luck? You might want to check into the person's background, make sure that they are generally an honest person, that they haven't been convicted of something that would make them ineligible to work with you in the future. You might want to make sure that they're going to mesh with your current employees. There are a lot of things in a due diligence period on both sides that you might want to check into. If you're in the process of buying or selling a business, this is definitely a time you don't want to try to figure it out all on your own. Call an attorney. Here at Cornerstone Law Firm, we help people with buying and selling businesses all the time. So if you have questions, give us a call and let's see how we can help you through the process.